All right, welcome again and welcome back. This is the AAZSS Trading Academy. So now that you know what Forex is, let's talk about who is actually trading, right? Who are the Forex market participants? Who are these participants in the market? Right? So in this massive market, understanding the players gives you insights, uh, give you insight behavior, right? Give you insight into the market behavior because price moves are not random, right? They are driven by real people, real money, and real goals. So these are the market. See, real people, real money. Not it is not controlled by a computer or something, right? They are driven. Market movement are driven by real people, real money, and real goals. So let's get right into it, right? So who are the market participants, right? Who trade forex? What people that trade forex? Let's start from the retail group, the retail traders. So the retail traders, that's me and you. We trade through brokers using platforms like MetaTrader, and our goal is profit. So we don't have billions or big money. We don't have enough money, but we can use strategy. Just like in our academy, we use our AAZSS Trading Indicator and strategy, right? And tools, and we also leverage to play in the same market as the big guys. So you might feel small in the game, but with the right skill set, you can eat well in this market, right? Trust me. So the next one on there is big fish. I call them big fish. They are the institutional traders, right? The hedge funds and large financial institutions and bank, right? So these guys move serious money, sometimes millions into a single trade, right? They use advanced algorithm, research team, and often create the moves the retail traders follow. But don't worry, these guys leave footprints, and we learn from them. So next one on there is central bank, right? The managed currency reserves and influence monetary policies, right? Just like the Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, Bank of Japan, right? So these guys, they don't trade for profit; they manage the country's economy, right? They control interest rates, money supply, and sometimes intervene in the forex market to stabilize their currency. So news involving these guys cause major moves in the market. So as we go, you understand what news is, right? You understand now. The next one is corporation, right? Government and corporation engage in forex to hedge against currency risk, right? Corporations that import and export also engage in forex, right? So imagine a Nigerian company importing tech from China. They will need to exchange naira to yuan. So these transactions are constant. Governments also step in to buy or sell currencies, right, based on economic needs, right? So the last one, that's government participants or for economic and policy reasons, right? So this is actually very interesting because impacts. So each groups affect the market differently, right? They affect market differently. The central banks cause long-term trend, hedge fund push short-term volatility, the retail traders cause short-term noise, right? So by identifying who might be moving the market, we can ride their wave instead of getting wiped out. Get that right. So getting wiped out, we can ride their wave. So here's a trader tip: always know who's behind the move, right? Always know who is behind the move, who is behind the move. So if a major bank just increase interest rate, it is not just noise, right? That's a long-term signal. So if hedge funds dump a currency, it's a short-term volatility, right? So as we continue, you will learn how to identify this move. Now, next video, we'll be talking about what you need to actually start trading. So, and I hope you understand the major participants in the market now. So I will be looking forward to seeing in the next video. Continue this step and show you success. All right, thank you and